guys, welcome back to my channel for my CVS midweek haul. And I have a 15 of 75 email CRT that really helped me out with this haul. Thank you all for joining me again, and I appreciate all your support. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome, and I would like to thank you for joining this couponing family. I hope you don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. Let's start this haul with the spend 30 get $10 bag. I'll be picking up this Gain detergent on sale for $6.99, and in our app we have a $1 off that will be applying to it. I will also add 3 of the Downy Unstoppables on sale for $5.49, and we have $1 in our app for this. And you can also go to P&G website and print out another $1. The third one, I don't have any coupon for it. And the last item I'll be adding to this deal will be the Dawn Power Wash. It's on sale for $5.99, and we also have a $1.50 in our app for it as well. These 5 items will come up to $29.45. That's within the 98% rule, because all I need to spend to get a $10 back is $29.40. After all the coupons I mentioned earlier on apply, it's going to bring it down to $24.95, and I'll pay that and I'll get $10 back, making all 5 items $14.95 or $2.99 each. To add more savings to this deal, I'll be adding it to the 15 of $75 days purchase CRT I received in my email. Let me go grab more deals to add to this transaction. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on Colgate toothpaste. If your store is not tagged, be careful because there are different Colgate deals this week. I'll be talking about the buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 2. Picking up 2 priced at $5.19. 2 of them will be $10.38. We have a 4 off 2 and a 3 off 2 in our app that will double dip and take off 7, leaving you to pay just $3.38, get $4 back, making both items free and a 62-cent money maker. The next deal will be on Tresemme hair care. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. And my store is priced at $7.29. That means the second one will be $3.65. We all have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to this. It will bring it down to $6.94, and you get $2 back, making both items $4.94 or $2.47 each. Let's add some feminine care to this transaction. You by Kotex is on spend 15 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up one of the 28 maxi pads priced at $9.29, and the other one we'll be adding will be the liners priced at $5.79. 2 of them will come up to $15.08. We have a 4 off 2. I actually have 2 in my app. Both of them is going to double dip and bring it down to $7.08, and I'll get $5 back, making both items $2.08 or $1.04 each. The next deal I'll be picking up will be the Aveeno Neutrogena Personal Cleansing deal. It's on buy 2 get $4 back or buy 3 get 12. It's a tier deal, so you have to do it in one transaction. I'll be picking up 2 of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion, 2.5 ounces. I'll be picking up 2 because that's the only deal, only 2 my store have. And I'll be adding a Neutrogena toner to this transaction. This one is priced at $7.29. All 3 of them is going to come up to $16.87. I have a $2 coupon that I got from coupons.com for the Neutrogena toner. After the $2, it's going to bring it down to $14.87, and I'll get $12 back, making all 3 of them $2.87 or 96 cents each. I'm going to go check out with the 15 of 75 next purchase CRT I received in my email, and I'll be back with my receipt to see how everything worked out. And this is my receipt. I picked up everything I showed earlier on. All my coupons came off except for 2. One of them was the Tresemme coupon, the 4 off 2. I scanned the product before I picked it up and it was attaching, but it didn't come off at the register. But I just want to be done with this deal. So I used a $2 I got from my email from Unilever. I only have one. I used that $2. And the second coupon that didn't come off was the one for the Downy, but that's okay. That means I lost $3 in coupons, which is fine. I ended up using $40 extra care box, paid $5.21 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for doing the spend 30 get 10 bag, and also another $2 for buying 2 of the Tresemme hair care, $12 back for buying 3 of the Aveeno and Neutrogena product, $4 back for Colgate toothpaste, and $5 back for You by Kotex. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $12.21 or 87 cents each. Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools and also Armory Cosmetics are on a tier deal this week of buy 2 get 5, or you buy 3 you get $8 back, and this doesn't track, you have to do them in one transaction. Picking up 2 of the Armory eyeshadow quads priced at $8.49. I'm picking this up because of the CRTs we have. The 2 of them is going to come up to $16.98. If you still have your $5 Armory instant CRT we got last week, it actually extended to the coming Saturday. And I'll also be using 2 of the $3 off Armory coupon we got from the HC savings set. And I have a 4 off 14 Armory CRT that will apply to this. With the 2 coupons and the 2 CRTs, it's going to bring it down to $1.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both products free and a $3.02 moneymaker. Check your Ibotta. If you still have the Armory rebate, then you submit your receipt there and you'll get $3 back on each one of them, making it $9.02 moneymaker. If you only have the Armory instant CRT and you don't want to do the eyeshadow pots, you can simply pick up 2 of the Revlon Armory board priced at $4.99. The 2 of them is going to come up to $9.98. Using the $5 instant CRT is going to bring it down to $4.97. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items free and a $3 moneymaker. I'll be adding the CoverGirl deal to this transaction, and CoverGirl is on buy 2 get $6 back, limit of 1. I'll be picking up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $4.99. The 2 of them is going to come up to $9.98. On Sunday, we received a $3 coupon from the savings set. That's the 827 savings set. Everybody received a $3 instant CRT that will apply to this. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it's going to bring it down to 98 cents. Pay that and get $6 back, making both items free and a $5.02 moneymaker. This transaction worked out perfectly. Everything went as planned. All my coupons came off. The CRT came off as well. I paid $2.96 out of pocket, and I got back $5 for buying 2 Armory products and $6 for buying 2 CoverGirl products, making this transaction free and $8.04 moneymaker. The last 2 items I picked up was the Honey Nut Cheerios cereal bar. It's on sale for $1.99 this week, so it's a good time to pick it up. 2 of them is going to come up to $3.98. Everybody have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will apply and bring it down to $2.98. And there is no extra care box for this, so pay that, then submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back, making both items $2.73 or $1.37 each. And this is where my video ends today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.